Pass to number 19. Pass to Rocker. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 18. Number 18. No good. Basket count may kasama pang foul. Who's ball?
Floater. Pasok yan. 2 points. William Blagon. 2 points. William Blagon. For 3. 3 points. Dumidire-diretso. And 1 yan. William Blagon. 2 points. William Blagon. 2 consecutive. Pasa kay William Blagon sa gitna. Lumayap. Basket yan. 2 points. Ano? Dumidiskarte pa nasa sa gitna. Ang gandang pasa doon. 2 points. Jersey number 0. 10-second shot lang. Pass to Zabala. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Zabala. Colliantes to Zabala. Short. Rebound pa rin ni Colliantes. 2 points. Time out. Time out. Santos for 3. Bang bang. 3. Santos pinasa kay Zabala. Wala. Rebound ni Francisco for 2 points. Jersey number 0. Francisco. Ramos. Back to De La Cruz. To Pineda for 3. Short. Nakuha ni Ramos. Dinugot. 2 points. Jersey number 17. Pumasok sa gitna. Kick out to Gonate for 3. Grabe yun. 3 points. Pineda. Pull up. Nice floater. Pineda. Basket yan. 2 points. De La Cruz. Dumidiskarte. Quito. Pull up. 2 points. Jersey number 19. Itay. Basket yan. 2 points. Jersey 2 versus 1. Pass to Riqueto. Riqueto layup is good. 2 points. Villa Blagon layup. 2 points. Villa Blagon. Orteliano. For 3. Bang bang. 3 points. Orteliano, layup is good. 2 points. Jersey number 2. Back to Colliantes. To Morales. For 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Naval. Naval to Morales. Morales, 2 points. Jersey number 3. Bang bang. 3 points. Pull up. Bang bang. 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni Villa Blagon. 2 points, Villa Blagon. Pass to Itay for 3. Malakas. Ramos. Pull up. Bang bang. 2 points, Ramos. De La Cruz. Floater. Pasok yan. 2 points, number 8. De La Cruz.